Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Friday, March 9th. Time is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I'm long. Let me adjust some stuff really quick. I'm long 10, was long 10 contract 60, 62. Half came off at 72 just a minute ago. Right now, I want to go ahead and move my stop. Yeah, I'm going to come on to break even. So 5 contracts long, stop sitting at break even. Let me set up a pill point for 82 for 20 ticks. 1 minute there. And okay. All right, here's what I'm looking at. We had a push up here, pre-market back in London session. Set up a reversal sequence here, but we channeled. So, and it's been in this channel pretty much all morning from this point here. So, CL heartbeat is we'll channel and then we'll continue to break up. The way stochastics is looking is we start pushing up against the overbought area. Still no immediate turn to the downside. And from that point, I believe we're probably going to break up above our area higher. So it's holding at the moment. And it really just kind of depends on what goes on with this entire channel. But I think I can get 10 off in either direction at this point. So we're going to try to play this on the upside. As this cluster, I think it's invalid now. Yeah, it's invalid by 1 tick. So barely. So I think we're going to break up above all of this stuff here, and we'll just keep pilling from that point. So 5 contracts long, 60, 62, stop at break even, have a pill point for 82 for 20 ticks. So let's just kind of see what happens here. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, one off there at 82 for 20 ticks. I'm going to set a pill point for 92. For 30 ticks, stop's going to stay at break even for just a bit longer. And we'll see if we're going to keep moving up from this point here. All right. 4 contracts long, 60, 62. Break even. Stop. And 92 is set for 30 ticks. So a lot of orders coming in here. And let's see, still got 25 minutes left on this bar. All right, hanging on long. I'll be back. All right, we had this break up as to be expected, and now we have another sequence, reversal sequence here. Let's see here. It's 82, 92 to 02. Okay, I'm not seeing anything to validate that looking left just yet. Except maybe the 1 deviation line here. Okay. So if this turns into a long wick, then we may get some type of turnaround. But yeah, I'm not seeing anything, so I'm going to hang on long. So thought about pilling some more points here, but don't see anything to stop that, reverse that just yet, other than this footprint. But I need something to validate it, and I'm not seeing that just yet. So, all right, we're going to hang on. I'll be back. Okay, got stopped out there. So, decent first run. I think I'm going to need to see what goes on over here, and we may actually start playing off of this reversal sequence as well. So, right now out of the market, and we'll see if we can get back in. All right, be back in a bit. All right, I'm back long, 60, 63, 10 contracts. Looks to pull half off at 73. Stop is going to be sitting at 58. What is that? 6 tick, 58, 9, 6, 5 tick stop. At this moment, and let's see how all this plays out. So it's actually pulling back or shooting down now. So what I would expect is a pullback, probably up around 81, or actually probably closer to 77, and then we'll probably look to become a bear at that point. Still need to see what reaction we have up here, because value area high seems to be holding 6 minutes. This actually closes into a big pin bar. That is a candle reversal sequence, and then with it lining up against value area high, it would probably be wise to become a bear at that point anyway. So, and then we have this cluster. So, all right, I'll be back. Okay, got half off here at 73. At this point, I'm going to move my stop. Oh, 63. Yeah, we're going to come on to break even. That is way tight, but I think this is probably going to start turning down. So just want to lock in that much. Actually, let me pull 2 more off its market. Okay, came off at 73. Let's see here. So I am 3 contracts long right now, and stop's gonna stay at break even. All right, be back in just a bit. All right, pulling one more off. It's pulled one more off at 77. That leaves me 2 contracts long, 60, 63, and I'm just gonna let this one ride and see what happens from this point. So no more pilling unless we get up to 50 ticks, and then I'll pill one off and let that last one run. But yeah, a lot of confusion going on. This can actually block it still, and we'll see what happens here. Okay, 2 contracts long, 60, 63, stop sitting at break even, and no pill points at the moment. I'll be back. All right, stop there, and looks like we met the downfall, and I'm in the wrong position, so I wasn't expecting to hit this quick. I'm going to set a limit probably for 68 or so, and see if we can get a pullback short. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, short 10 contract, 60, 72. Right here, I'll look to pull half off at 62. Set all that up. Stop, going to be sitting at 80. 8 ticks stop at the moment. Stop. That's a buy there. All right. Let me see what we're kind of doing. All right. This is actually, this is tough to decipher. This one is tough to decipher. Looks like a channel a bit. It did that quick break up, immediate turn back down into this range. All right, I'm going to hold on to this trade and watch. I'll be back. Okay, I went ahead and scratched it at -2 ticks at 74. I'm not sure what I'm looking at just yet. So the way this is holding right now, it tells me it should come down. This is a reversal sequence. Movement. This may be a movement, pull back, and then a drop from here. This cluster is nothing to brag home about. So I'm still thinking we're going to head down. I'm not sure, so I'm just going to watch. All right, I'll be back. Okay, long is what it looks like it wants to go. I'm not in this trade at the moment, and I'm not sure if I can get into this trade. So I'll set a limit on 77 for long. Look like I'm going to miss this one, though. Let me see here. Yeah. All right. I'll set a limit, but I'm not expecting that to actually get filled. So just going to watch this one and we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, we are giving this a shot here off of the 1 deviation line sequence here. Short 10 contract 60.97. Stop is going to be sitting at 05 for 8 tick stop. 6105. 6105. Stop. 8 tick stop. And I'll look to pull half off at 87. 6087. 5. Alright, let's see what happens here. I'll be back. Alright, went ahead and closed the entire trade out at 94 for 3 ticks. Not so solid on what's going on, and at this point I just need to sit on the sideline because it's just a bunch of confusion, and I'm actually at a loss right now. So a loss of words as far as how to break this one down. So I'm gonna just sit still and we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back. Okay, this is looking like a channel. 6090 is the threshold. Long 10 contracts. 6091. Look to pull half off at 01. Stop is going to be sitting at 84 right now. All right, I'll be back. All right, I think this is probably going to be my last trade. I took half off at 96. Yeah, 96 for 5 ticks. Gonna move my stop up to 90 for 2 ticks, and we'll just kind of see what happens here. If this is it, let's see if we get hit here. All right, yeah, this is real. This is just a bunch of confusion, and it's Friday, and so been an okay week. For those days that I did trade, and I don't want to end up giving anything back. So we're just kind of watching, see. Okay, that just came off. All right, guys, I'm out of this trade. I'm actually done for the week as well. So not too much profit, but didn't give anything away either. So all right, have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week. All right, bye.